Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to charge the HyperX Cloud 3 wireless headset in 2026. Now to begin with the HyperX Cloud 3 wireless, you need to understand that it uses a built-in rechargeable battery and charges through a USB connection. So first of all, you need to take the USB-C cable that comes with your headset. Now, once you have the cable available, you need to simply plug the USB-C end into the headset and the other end into your PC, console or the wall adapter. Once connected, simply take a look at the LED indicator on the headset. If it is showing you the solid light, then it means that it is charging. If it is green or showing you the stable light, it simply means that it is fully charged. Now, on average, the headset takes around 3 to 4 hours in order to fully charge from empty. For best battery health, avoid unplugging too frequently during the charging. You can still use the headset while it is charging. However, for faster charging, it's better to leave it idle. Now you can also use a reliable USB port or adapter and avoid very high power chargers as they are not necessary and can affect the battery health over time. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.